Hey there, fellow cigar aficionados. Today, I'm diving deep into the aromatic world of cigars, exploring their rich history, diverse varieties, and the art of enjoying them to the fullest. I started my journey in the vibrant streets of Havana, Cuba. Imagine walking through those historic lanes where each corner offers a glimpse into the legacy of cigar making. In Cuba, cigars are not just smoked. They're a symbol of culture and pride. Did you know that the perfect cigar combines 3 types of tobacco leaves? It's a craft where each leaf plays a unique role. The filler, the binder, and finally the wrapper, each contributing to the cigar's overall flavor and burning characteristics. Moving on, I visited a local torquidor or cigar roller. Watching them work is mesmerizing. Each roll is precise, a skill passed down through generations. They say it's like watching an artist with their paintbrush. Except here, tobacco leaves are the canvas. But what about the flavors? Cigars range from mild and creamy to rich and robust. Each puff tells a story, a narrative crafted by soil, climate, and care. And let's not forget pairing. A good drink can elevate the cigar experience. Whether it's a strong coffee or a fine whiskey, pairings can enhance those subtle tobacco notes. Now, how do you pick the perfect cigar? It's about personal taste. Start mild if you're a beginner. Let your palate lead you as it develops. Remember, smoking a cigar is about relaxation and enjoyment, an escape from the hustle of everyday life. Before I wrap up, let's talk about etiquette. Yes, there's an etiquette to smoking cigars. From cutting your cigar correctly to lighting it evenly and enjoying it at a leisurely pace. It's all part of the ritual, the experience. So, whether you're a seasoned smoker or new to this world, I hope this journey inspires you to explore the vibrant and nuanced universe of cigars. Each one tells a story, and who knows? The next one you light up might just be your new favorite. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful adventure. Here's to many more smoky, delightful discoveries. Cheers.